Hello and welcome to another update video about CRO Cronos, crypto.com. It has been heavily requested by my channel members. One of the benefits you get as a channel member, you can participate in voting or wishing for additional coins for me to cover. I haven't really covered crypto.com for a while, but there were a lot of requests for a CRO update or Cronos update on Telegram, on Discord. So we are here to cover it, and I'd like to show you what I said on the 14th of January, just to really show you where we were a few months ago. Could be complete. You know, we've seen a wave A, B to the upside, and the wave B to the upside did, I think, as far as I remember, come perfectly here to a fib level. So it did come all the way up here to the 0.382 fib level. Normally, ideally, you would want a wave 5 at least to come to the 0.5 fib level, so it would have had to move a little bit higher, which tells me actually what we could be seeing could be another move up, right? Another move up that could actually mean that what we have seen here, yes, it was an ABC, but it could be part of a larger A, B, pretty much what could be coming for Ethereum next, ABC. That is certainly a possibility, and that wave B then could move all the way up to the 0.5 fib level at around 70 cents. Now that is a possibility. Yeah, I'm not telling you this is going to happen. This is one possible scenario because this is what Ethereum could currently be building. I talked about that in the Ethereum video today. Before it then does its final sell-off. Why do I so much believe in this final sell-off? Various reasons. One of them is my Bitcoin analysis that I've been doing, where I talked about exactly this possible pattern here that Bitcoin is currently in, basically. So don't wanna drag this on for much longer, but you can see that the target area here was located between the 88.7% Fibonacci level at 18.4 cents and the 78.6% fib level at 27.5 cents. This is the area in which I expected most altcoins to get into and to potentially find a reversal point. This is just in a wave 2, the most likely scenario to get into, the most likely fib level, especially in a young market and a dynamic market like the crypto market. So let's take a look what actually happened. This was the primary scenario, and let's take a look where we have come to. So we had that move up. Now, to be fair, I don't think that happened on every exchange. It looks a bit like this happened here just on Bittrex. I would actually disregard it. So however, we are getting very, very close to this target area now, and I would expect that we are going to reach it, especially as we made a new swing low here. We are now at 30 cents, and we are really, really not far away from that 27.6 cent level. Came very close already. I would still expect that we come down to it again, but this is still the target area that I still have on the chart from back then. And it's looking good. Yeah, it's looking good. It's nothing unexpected. So we are just doing what we expected, to be fair. So there isn't really a lot. So if you watch the video in January, you will know that actually nothing happened that was moved us off track in any way, right? What annoys me is currently here these spikes. So let's see if we can do that a little bit differently. Coinbase has a short history, doesn't it? So yeah, let's use FTX, and we can just do that here with this chart, move them over a little bit, and we can just put that target area in again, and there you go. Target area here remains the primary expectation, and there was of course an opportunity that this could have been the ABC already, but as I said, the wave B didn't really come up high enough, but that is not primarily the problem. We have wave Bs that don't go to the 50% fib retracement, but it came down so impulsively, yeah. And you can see that we have not managed to get above the 50% fib retracement again. So from here, we actually made a lower high, then a higher high, but still compared to that one, a lower high. and now we made another lower low. So the downtrend is definitely not over. I'm sure there's some people will find a fundamental reason again why this is happening, but again, this target area has been on the chart since January. So, and we are getting close to it. I don't see why it should now stop. I think we should see this drop now because we have dropped below all previous lows, even below this area of trade. And if we add the VPVR, yeah, the next we're actually dropping through a hole. That is another reason why we have this sell-off. So there was another support or volume spike here around 35 cents. Now that we dropped below it, we're just going through a hole here. As you can see, there is no historical support. Next support will be around that 26.5 cent level. From that point of view, it's all going according to plan. We are now also below the 1 year moving average here in yellow. Let's take a look how this looks as the 200-day moving average. I think we broke that now as well. Let's take a look. Oops, no, it did not take it. 200. So yeah, we are also below the 200-day moving average. That was also when really the downtrend started. As you can see, when we broke it, we retested it, that's it, we dropped below it. So yeah, all going according to plan here. No reason to panic at the moment. The thing is, a lot of cryptos are already in this area between the 88.7% level and the 78.6%. Cronos isn't. And that is good. That shows how strong Cronos is or was. It has been holding quite well, but I'm pretty sure we're now going to get into this area here because there is not much more support left. I think that is going to happen imminently. Yeah. So overall, what we have seen here is probably, that would be my view, in terms of also the Elliott waves, as I indicated already, that we have seen from the low here a wave 1, that this here currently is the wave 2 in an ABC, that the next wave will be a wave 3, then you get a wave 4 and a wave 5. Yeah, the wave 3 should normally be the most bullish wave, should go at least to the 1.618 Fib extension, then you come down to wave 4 and 5, go up. Fib extension here, this is not the correct way of showing them. Let me just do that here. Just to give you a rough estimation, we don't know where the low will be, but let's say the low will be around 17 cents, then the target for the next wave up, and that we're talking here about the next bull run. Yeah, the next wave 3, that would be the 1.618 Fib extension at $1.62, but that would be the minimum target. At the moment, of course, we are quite far away from that. That can take a while for it to play out, but just want to give you some orientation. I had a lot of questions about giving some longer term targets for charts, but currently, yeah, the way we are coming down here is very impulsive. Doesn't look like it's over yet. If we take a look at the indicators, they would confirm that on the daily here. Bullish crossover on the daily MACD was prevented. We are heading further down. Stochastic RSI, massive downtrend. RSI super oversold, around 20 on the RSI. That is massive. So there will be a corrective move up, but so either that happens straight away because we are now so oversold, or we are getting first to the target area. But I would nearly say, because we are so much oversold, that it will have problems to just go there straight away. But yeah, there isn't much more support along the way, as I said. The only reason why it could find support here is because it's just so massively oversold. But yeah, looking good so far, all going according to plan. Yes, massive sell-off, but we've seen it with other cryptos as well, that just have to catch up on the correction because a lot of altcoins are already, as I said, in this area. Cronos isn't, so it just has to catch up a little bit. They all do the same stuff anyway, so we are working on it, looking good, and hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership and maybe check out my trading course on the website. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.